If you don't got it with the first shot, you just have to pull the trigger one more time, because it's recycled with the inject. So now you can close it. Put your hand there. Yes, right. It's a little bit tight. A little more. So put it on your shoulder. Here. Yes. Easy with the hand. Yeah. I think we take. Take the left one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Safety over. We got the left side. Just about the green roof.
Yes.
And when the pigeon come, go up and point on it, and then hang. Okay. And when you're ready, you just say ready, and he pulls it. With it.
Ready?
Point. Whoa! First shot. You hit it.
Okay.